Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. Click that subscribe button. If you're not new, then thanks for coming back. Today's video is actually really sweet. Ulta randomly sends my husband emails along with pretty much every other beauty company out there. And occasionally he looks at those emails and he buys me things from them. So they emailed him and they said that they had all of these lipstick, perfume, bottles, whatever, from Kim Kardashian, the KKW, Kylie Jenner. I guess this is like Kylie Jenner lips. So he ordered them because, y'all, I am literally obsessed with this perfume. We went into Kim Kardashian's store when we were in Anaheim one time, and it just smelled like gardenias, and it was so nice, and I love gardenias. So he had ordered that for me after we left there, and since I like that so much, he ordered these for me. These don't smell good. These smell horrible. Just saying. So I wasn't going to do a video on these after I got them and smelled them because I was like, oh, this doesn't smell good. But then I started looking on YouTube to see what other people thought of them, and everybody was like, oh my God, these are so great. And I thought, girl, you paid your money for this just like I did. Well, just like he did. You didn't get this for free. You are not being sponsored by them. You're not getting paid for it. So why not just tell the truth about it? I guess the things that you like as far as scents or food or anything in general, that is dependent upon you. So I'm sure there are some people who like these, but let me tell y'all, I don't like them. And y'all know your girl is always going to keep it real. So let's go through these so I can tell you my opinion, because I'm going to tell you what it really is. And it's not that these are great. Okay, so we have Nude. That's the name, literally the name of this, and it's a nude lip. It is supposed to smell like Solar Spice, Lily of the Valley, Nude Magnolia, Jasmine Peony, Tahitian Vanilla, Burnt Amber, oh no, Vibrant Amber, sorry, and Musk. This smells the worst out of all of them. It smells like a grandma. It smells like a sweet vanilla musk. It smells like if you went to church and you sat next to somebody's grandma, you would smell this or White Diamonds, but it would be one of the two, because that is the smell I'm getting from this. And let me tell y'all, I don't like it. I normally like sweet smells, floral smells. I like the Christian Dior J'adore is my go-to. The back there is the Chanel in the pink round bottle. That is like one of my favorites also. This is the worst out of all of them for sure. It's a big no for me. The red one is actually the best one out of all of them, or the only one that's not horrible. Let's put it that way. It smells like blood orange, red lotus flower, red gardenia, exotic ylang. Ylang? Lang? Is the Y silent? I don't know what a ylang is, or let alone an exotic ylang. Warm amberette. I don't know what an amberette is. Vanilla bean, red cider, and plush musk. It's all about the musk with this line, and I don't know why, because I don't want to smell musk. I don't want to. This one smells the best. You do definitely smell the gardenia, but you smell something else that's sweet in there, and a little bit of the musk. Now, I watched a lot of videos, right? And they were lying. One of the girls was like, oh my God, this one smells exactly like the Crystal Gardenia, and I'm kind of disappointed because she wanted it to smell different because she already had that one. Yeah, this does not smell exactly like it. The Crystal Gardenia smells literally like a crystal gardenia. It smells like a gardenia, okay? This smells like a gardenia with a sweet muskiness to it. It's, like I said, it smells the best out of all of them. If I were to keep these, because I'm not keeping these, I'm returning these. But if I were to keep these, I would keep this one. But this, I don't want it. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want it. The next one they have is pink. It is just called Pink Lip. It smells like mandarin, solar gardenias. I don't know what a solar gardenia is. I just know regular gardenia, but this is a solar gardenia. Coconut water, creamy coconut, pink musk, sandalwood, liquid amber. It's all about the musk, and I don't know why. This one smells sweet, coconutty, and musky. So this is sweet coconut musk. This is vanilla sweet musk. And this is Gardenia sweet musk. All with the musk. Now there's this girl I was watching who did a review on these, and she was like, oh, this reminds me of like something you should wear if you're going on a trip to Hawaii. This would be the perfect scent. Let me tell you, don't put that on us. Don't do it. When you go to Hawaii, do not come there wearing this and think this is what, you know, you should smell like coming to our island. If anything, you should smell like the Gardenia, like the crystal Gardenia, because literally when I smell gardenias, I think of a lei, I think of a celebration, I think of things like that, because gardenias are in leis. So if my mom was to spray the crystal gardenia in the house before I like walked in the door, I would literally think that there was a lei in the house. If I was to smell this one, I would literally think that my mom had gotten a lei from somebody. She didn't get laid by somebody. But I'm just saying, that's what I would think. This does not make me think of like the perfect scent for an island vacation. So don't put that on us Hawaiians. Okay, thank you. You do smell that coconut, but you smell the musk, and I don't like the musk. Now, I know everybody has a different opinion on what smells they like, what foods they like, everybody is different, right? So it's all situational based upon you. I like floral, I like sweet, like I'm a basic bitch. If I was to go to Bath and Body Works, I'm going to get sweet pea. You know what I'm saying? But so it just depends. If you like musky smells, then you're going to love these. But I personally don't. And I just thought it was odd that like every review I saw on these perfumes, everybody was just like raving about how great they were. And I thought, are you just kind of like following the bandwagon, or do you like these musky scents? Because when I first smelled them, I was just so disappointed. And then when my husband smelled them, he was like, what? And I was like, yeah, these are gonna have to go back. So the upside to him ordering all of these for me, because these are $40 each. $40 each. You get such a small amount for $40 and they smell horrible, is that I'm gonna have a $120 gift card to Ulta to go buy whatever I want. The nice thing is though, they do give you a backpack if you order over a certain amount of, like over a certain price with fragrances. I'm not going to open the backpack. I'll put a picture right here because I'm going to return it, and I want them to be able to give that to somebody else. And he also ordered me this. So I'm going to show y'all this really, really quickly, even though it doesn't fit into the, perfume realm of things, but it is Kim Kardashian product. And I actually am going to keep this because I like this. I don't know how much this one cost, 20, 40 bucks, but it comes in a case like this. So it has like a cute little packaging with it, which I appreciate packaging. And then each one comes like this, and then you can actually see the colors inside. If you watch my BoxyCharms, you know I'm blind, so I probably won't be able to read the colors for you because I can't read that. I'm going to swatch them for you really quickly because they are nice. Oh, wow. Oh, hello pigmentation. I didn't try these. So I say they're nice because I like the packaging, but I didn't actually try them. I know I was going to keep them because I do like these colors a lot. So that's this one. And that's that color. I like it. It's like a mauve-y color. So even looking at these, I was like, okay, these are really pretty shades. I could definitely put these to use. That's like a nice pink. It's that one right there. It's pretty. So I really appreciate these. I love that they send him emails and then he randomly buys stuff, because I have actually gotten a lot of, oh, mama likey. I like this one. This is really pretty. That color there. So those are all of the colors. I don't know how much this costs. Let's see. Okay, so I think this one, from looking at the colors online, is the Best of Pinks lip set. This was actually $65. Did I say $20? $20 for each one? I don't know. I guess these are full-size products. They just don't really look, they honestly don't look that big. Yeah, I guess. That's as high as it goes. It looks a little small compared to like a normal, I don't know. Yeah, 60, I guess if I'm thinking Kim Kardashian, 65 does seem about right, but I don't know. I'm gonna keep these because even for $65, I feel like I like these colors, and my average that I spend on lipstick is probably $20 for one. So I guess I'd say that's a good deal. Did I originally say $20? Girl, stop. Okay, so that's my thoughts on the perfumes. Y'all, you know, I'm always gonna keep it real with you, especially like, dude, I'm spending my own money. I'm not keeping crap that doesn't smell good or that doesn't work or that I don't like or that isn't useful. So, you know, I'm always going to keep it real with y'all. That is just my thoughts on the perfume. If you like them, good for you. If you don't like them, then hey, we, you know, have the same kind of taste. It is what it is. But if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye.